Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video we are going to swatch and review Born Pretty Store Black Orchid Series regular polishes. So here they are, absolutely beautiful. Let me go, I cannot pronounce the names because they are in French, so I will put them up on the screen for you. Now this first one that we're looking at, it's a purple with beautiful holographic glitters. The second one, it also has the holographic glitters, and it's like a magenta, but they shift in colors, guys. So yeah, they kind of have that chameleon look as well. And the green one, it's the only one that doesn't have the holographic. It just has the green glitters, and it shifts there. You can kind of see how it goes from green to purple. And these are the boxes that they come in. There's the SKU number. I will have the links down in the description bar below, as well as my code where you can save a 10% discount, which is IDUK31. And here are my nails in black. These are best. They look best over black, so you want to start out with a black base. Now we'll go ahead and leave you with the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. So they use semi-applied 2 coats for each one of these colors, guys, and they're absolutely gorgeous. Check out the holographic on the first two. The green one doesn't have the holographic glitter. It just has more of the green, different micro glitters there, and also green, not the holographic, but still absolutely gorgeous. So that is it for this review, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me these beautiful polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.